guys, what's going on? My name is Charles Siritho, and we're here with Anderson Composites at the NMCA West Autocross, sponsored by Nitto Tires. Behind me is my 2016 Ford EcoBoost Mustangs covered in Anderson Composites exterior carbon fiber parts. My car is equipped with their carbon fiber trunk, their carbon fiber rear diffuser, their carbon fiber side skirts, their carbon fiber fenders, and their carbon fiber hood, and featuring their GT350 style front bumper. Not only does the carbon fiber look good on the car, it's as well functional. It allows me to run a wider tire, a wider wheel, and lets me get planted out here on this track. To check out more carbon fiber exterior parts, check out AndersonComposites.com, and to check out more of my car, check out thefunctionfactory.co.